You are going to love the 2022 Sportage. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, lane departure warning, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.